Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the best capture. Use even lighting and a plain background so the software can detect edges reliably. Open the original photo and correct perspective if the head is tilted. Straighten and crop roughly to include head and shoulders. Once done, set image resolution to at least 300 dpi and save a copy as JPEG high quality. Make sure to keep the original RAW or full-size file. This lets you revert if a later step needs adjustment. Now you resize and crop precisely to meet passport specs. Enter the required dimensions, such as 35 by 45 millimeters, or the exact pixel values for your country. Use guides to position the eyes at the mandated height and ensure head size occupies the correct percentage of the frame. Once positioned, apply gentle sharpening and light noise reduction so facial features stay natural. Remember, minimal retouching preserves identity, so remove blemishes only if allowed and keep skin texture intact. Finish by converting the image to the sRGB color profile and adjusting brightness and contrast so the face is clearly visible. Authorities reject overexposed or underexposed files. Export using the required format and compression, then verify the final file size and metadata. If prints are rejected, print a 1:1 sample to confirm scale and color. If the background shows shadows, re-edit with selective feathered erasing or reshoot. One tip: if cropping shifts proportions, revert to the original and redo the crop with fresh guides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.